Use questioning as a method to learn. English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 211. Which tense describes a past action that was in progress when another event took place? A. They watched a movie when I called. B. They were watching a movie when I called. C. They have watched a movie when I called. D. They watch a movie when I call. Correct answer, they were watching a movie when I called. Past continuous tense. Question number 112. Which tense describes an action that was completed before another action in the past, indicating a clear sequence? A. He ate breakfast before he left for work. B. He had eaten breakfast before he left for work. C. He eats breakfast before he leaves for work. D. He is eating breakfast before he leaves for work. Correct answer, he had eaten breakfast before he left for work. Past perfect tense. Question number 213. Which tense is used to talk about a future event that will be finished by a specific future deadline? A. By next month, I learn all the vocabulary. B. By next month, I will learn all the vocabulary. C. By next month, I will have learned all the vocabulary. D. By next month, I am learning all the vocabulary. Correct answer, by next month, I will have learned all the vocabulary. Future perfect tense. Question number 214. Which tense emphasizes the continuous nature of an action that began in the past and is still ongoing? A. It rains for 2 hours. B. It has rained for 2 hours. C. It has been raining for 2 hours. D. It is raining for 2 hours. Correct answer, it has been raining for 2 hours. Present perfect continuous tense. Question number 215. Which tense describes a past continuous action that led to a past result, focusing on the duration? A. She was tired because she cooked all day. B. She was tired because she had been cooking all day. C. She is tired because she cooks all day. D. She will be tired because she will cook all day. Correct answer, she was tired because she had been cooking all day. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 216. Which tense is used for timetables and schedules? A. The train leaves at 6 p.m. B. The train is leaving at 6 p.m. C. The train left at 6 p.m. D. The train will leave at 6 p.m. Correct answer, the train leaves at 6 p.m., simple present tense. Question number 217. Which tense describes a developing situation or a temporary trend? A. More and more people work from home. B. More and more people are working from home. C. More and more people worked from home. D. More and more people will work from home. Correct answer, more and more people are working from home. Present continuous tense. Question number 218. Which tense describes a past event that occurred at a specific time that is now finished? A. She graduated in 2005. B. She graduates in 2005. C. She is graduating in 2005. D. She has graduated in 2005. Correct answer, she graduated in 2005. Simple past tense. Question number 219. Which tense expresses a general prediction about the future? A. I think it will snow tomorrow. B. I think it snows tomorrow. C. I think it is snowing tomorrow. D. I think it snowed tomorrow. Correct answer, I think it will snow tomorrow. Simple future tense. Question number 220. Which tense describes a continuous action in the past when another, shorter action interrupted it? A. While I walked, I fell. B. While I was walking, I fell. C. While I have walked, I fell. D. While I walk, I fall. Correct answer, while I was walking, I fell. Past continuous tense. Like, share, comment and subscribe.